Welcome everyone to my Axis and Allies How to Play the Game. And this is specifically for Axis and Allies Anniversary Edition. See that on the rulebook, Anniversary Edition. So some stuff will apply to all games, and some of it will apply to merely this game. So in this episode, we'll be going over just the board. So let's just focus right here. What are these different colors? Why do some of them have numbers on them? Why are some of them circled? Why are some of them not circled? So first we'll go over here. See, one with a 7 on it, but it's blue, just like all of these. That is the ocean. Now if you look at maps, you'd know that the ocean is portrayed as blue. Then what are all of these other colors? Well, they're there to show different countries. For example, Germany, you see there, it's their name, is black. Italy is brown, and the United Kingdom is this tan color. And if we go over here, Soviet Union, or you could also just call them Russia, is red. So now what are these circles? Those are IPCs. Now if we take a quick trip down here to Africa, we can see Morocco, Algeria, Libya, and Egypt. This is Northern Africa. And you can see Libya has 1 on it. That means at the end of your round, you will earn 1 IPC for controlling it. Same for Morocco, Algeria, but you will gain 2 for having Egypt, and you will have 4 for controlling all of them. See the Balkans, you earn 3 just for having that one. And that one alone. Alright, now, see they're obviously color-coded for every single nation, so you can easily know which ones they are. But then, what are these? These are roundels. Now the game will come with more of them, and that, let's say, the Italians, they go walking over here to Egypt and take it. Well, you can't just change the color, so you place a marker, or a roundel, or marker, or roundel, control marker, that's the word, to show that the Italians now control Egypt. Now, you've probably seen Switzerland. What's with that color? And here, the Sahara. Or Spain, or Sweden, or Ireland. Well, those are like Sweden, Switzerland, Ireland, and Spain. They are neutral countries. You can not go into them. You cannot. They pretend like they're just void. You can't do anything with these. They're just the void. And same with the Sahara. They're like this because no one really wants to go through the desert. This is a void territory. You can't go from Morocco, Algeria, into Sahara, into French West Africa. Sahara, just pretend it doesn't exist. You can't use it at all in this game. And that's the basics of the map. You're wondering, what are these? Those are victory cities. Now, as you can tell by the name, victory cities, they help you achieve victory in the game, and they're also cities. Now, in this game, you will receive a roundel for each of the cities. So let's take Berlin as an example. Got a roundel right there. Now, victory cities What do you mean? How do you achieve victory by having them? So in the game, you have many different ways of winning the game. We have Surrender with Honor, which is the default one, where you need to capture 15 of these victory cities. You have option 1, Projection, where you need 13 of these. 2 less, more for quicker games, and if you just have like, I don't know, a bunch of time to kill, well, if you just want to, this game never end, you can do Total War, where you need 18, and 18 is every single one of these victory cities. So, if we were to go around the board and count them up, we'd find 18, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 victory cities. That's how you win the game. Now, as you can see, how are you supposed to take over these other territories? Now that is where the units come in. But this video is for the map, and so those units we'll go over in the next episode. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this has taught you about the board, and about it, and how to better look around the board and maneuver around it. And one last thing, you can see here, let's take the West Indies for example. They're not connected to any other territory, so they are islands, and we have properties of where you need to go through the season in order to get to another one. And for the West Indies, all of these islands in the same territory, it doesn't matter where your units are in the territory, it's all just the West Indies. Now that is the actual end. Thank you for watching this first episode and explaining the territories of Axis Allies Anniversary Edition. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time.